Oh, hey guys, in today's short video, I'm going to explain to you a little bit about what fixtures or beacons you can use with Carmanah systems and why. So you might be new to Carmanah products, you might be adding beacons to an existing system, or you might be doing troubleshooting or repair. So it's important to understand what fixtures are compatible with our products. For our round beacons, this could be a 24/7 or could be a school zone application. And for our RRFB products, for crosswalk applications, we use constant current or current-driven LED fixtures only. And what I mean by that is there are no active electronics on the fixture itself. The LED drive circuitry is located in the controller. This goes for self-contained solar engines and cabinet-based systems. Now, for our speed check products, we do have a 12-volt output for connecting constant voltage beacons or other devices. So just to recap, for our round beacon systems and for RRFBs, we use current-driven fixtures only, and for our speed check products, we can connect constant voltage fixtures or devices. For additional information, please visit support.carmanah.com, and thanks for watching.